We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Hey Dave, it's been almost 9 months since you caulked.
Yeah, it has.
So show us results 9 months later and what you used.
This is from December 2018.
And it's now September.
I used the RV Life Caulk. And as you can see, it still looks pretty good up and down here. Except for when you get down to here, it's letting go. But that's due to the way the coach moves, as you can tell about the screw head. Things are moving around. I did all around this door, and that's still pretty good shape. Excuse the dirt on the coach. We just got done.
This is the very back. This is where the power cord is.
Yeah.
Back
we did up
side.
and down here. Still good shape. And I did all this.
So what are you going to do? See, this is cracked down here too. Oh my God. It's freaking separated.
Well, that's because the way the end cap moves versus this, and I don't think there's anything you can do about that.
So you just had to keep replacing it.
You just gotta keep going at it.
And that's why it did it on this side too.
Right.
So it can only hold so much. You can't
You're
hold
right.
your
It
coach
doesn't
together.
hold your coach together, right?
And you did this part here.
I did all this, and this still looks really, really good.
Okay, and that's also what, 9 months old now.
9 months, yep.
Okay.
I did the whole side. And this still all looks really good. It's just dirty, that's why it looks so bad. But
now we're in a dusty area. What about right here?
yeah, that's starting to let loose a little bit.
Actually, it's not. It's just that it's clear. I mean, I don't feel it cracking.
Yeah, I can see it bubbling.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you can see it. Watch.
Okay.
See?
So
it's starting to bubble up.
I have to do some repair.
Yeah. And along here you can tell that it's bubbling because it's lighter than the rest.
Okay, so 9 months is probably about as long as you can go, it looks like, huh?
Yeah.
If anybody's got a product that might work better.
I'm all ears. Absolutely. Still looking pretty good all on here though.
But it also has some protection because that's underneath the slide.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the other side.
Yeah, this is...
Mute the TV.
That's starting to let go too a little bit.
Letting go maybe a little. Yeah.
I did this slide, and this all still looks really, really good.
And that's with the RV Life stuff, right?
Right.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay.
I did around this hole, around this door. That looks really good too.
Yeah.
And down here, but it's starting to, you can see where it's starting to let go.
So you can tell because it's a little lighter in color?
Right, it's lighter in color.
Is that so because it wasn't clean well underneath, or there was old stuff left behind?
I mean, I cleaned it.
I know, you scraped the crap out of it.
Scraped it, wiped it down, did everything I could, wiped it down with denatured alcohol.
This is a dining slide. How's this look?
It still looks pretty good.
Yeah, this looks pretty good.
You can't expect forever, but...
So 9 months later on this, what percentage would you say is starting to come apart? Like this is...
That's starting to come off.
Yeah.
I would have to say maybe 10% starting to come off, but how much further behind the rest is, I can't say, but it's time to redo it all.
So when you're saying that even the areas that are good, you're going to redo them anyways?
Yeah. It's a never-ending battle.
Anybody's got a better product, let us know.
But
this is better than the stuff you'd used before.
Yeah.
That stuff was coming off in 3 months.
Yeah, it was. So in summary, this is the caulk I've used previously, the Lexel, And it only lasted like 3 months. Didn't have a lot of good luck with it, but everybody's been talking about it, and I decided I'm going to give it one more shot just to see how it goes. And the Life Caulk is about 25 bucks a tube, and the only place you can get it is online. And this is about $9 a tube. And I believe I picked this up in an Ace Hardware or one of those, you know, hardware type stores. So easier to get. I'm going to give it a shot. I know one thing about this though, is it skins up real quick. So you have to be quick to get this on there and make it look good. That's it. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.